The core features of wet dog food packaging machines are as follows. 1. Suitable for high moisture, high viscosity materials. Specifically designed to handle semi-fluid, meat paste, or meat chunk products with a moisture content as high as 75 to 85%. Depending on the material characteristics, a piston-type filling machine can be used. 2. Precision sealing and vacuum preservation. Highly stable sealing technology prevents leakage, especially for products containing meat chunks and juices. 3. Hygienic design and easy cleaning. The main body of the equipment is mostly made of stainless steel, meeting food safety standards and facilitating cleaning and maintenance. Some high-end production lines are equipped with a CIP clean-in-place system, which can automatically clean pipes and containers, avoiding material residue and cross-contamination.